Lewiston police and city leaders are looking for ways to stop gun violence in the city. Law enforcement officers say they've responded to at least 3 shootings or reports of shots fired just this month. The latest shooting happened less than a week ago at Mike McGraw Park during a planned community event. Good evening and thanks for joining us here on News Center Maine at 5:30. I'm Chris Costa.
And I'm Zach Blanchard. Today, leaders announced their plans to tackle the recent uptick in violence. News Center Maine's Pearl Small has the details.
Lewiston Police Chief David St. Pierre says people in his community shouldn't have to live in fear after a recent uptick in gun violence. St. Pierre, as well as other Lewiston officials, now announcing plans to address these issues across the entire system, from policing in the streets to prosecuting in the courts.
Every day it seems we are faced with another shooting, another loss.
27 incidents of shots fired in the last 8 months, to be exact, which is why Amron Osborne is happy to be part of what is meant to be the start of a solution.
Instead, we must unite and support one another and work together towards meaningful solutions.
Osborne is the founder of Generational Nor, a community organization in Lewiston, one of many partnering with the city as part of the response plan that was unveiled at a news conference on Thursday.
We need as many tools in the toolbox as we can, and we're pushing for more as much as we can at the state and federal levels.
Chief David St. Pierre says community collaboration is part of the grassroots level response, but he's also requesting 3 months of overtime funding to increase police patrols. St. Pierre also says they've been meeting with Androscoggin County District Attorney Neil McLean to address a problem they believe lies in the judicial system.
Cases are frequently dismissed or the charges are significantly pled down. This cannot continue.
Both Pierre and DA McLean acknowledged a shortage of public defense attorneys as the root cause, adding many of the proposed solutions may translate into legislative asks, and they are requesting a policy review for many of them.
We're eager to work with the city and to provide the resources that they need to keep our community, the people living in our diverse community, safe and feeling protected.
State Senator Peggy Rotundo is part of Lewiston's State House delegation, partnering with the city to work on the legislation.
We all share the same goal, and we will all be working together to realize that goal.
Chief St. Pierre also says they're planning to host informal monthly meetings to update the community on the progress so many desperately wish to see.
And we need you to deliver on the changes you promised here today and to be proactive in addressing the issues we face.
Lewiston officials say they will be hosting a workshop next week where members of the public can attend to address their concerns. In Lewiston, Pearl Small, News Center Maine.